You can see the sidewalk clearing team is still working down here, trying to clear the sidewalks. The rain is really coming down. Just to give you an idea, look at how much water is flooding into the sewer here. The reality is that these kind of markets generate a lot of trash. It all ends up in the road, then it all goes down the sewers. Or some people, I've seen many people, they literally get a bag full of trash and then stuff it down the sewer. And then a couple of weeks later they complain, hey, my house is flooded. Yeah, it's flooded because you keep putting stuff down the drain. I'm not saying everybody does that. I know there are so many innocent people, but it happens. Look at all this trash here. It's obvious where it came from, but who are the people cleaning it up? The MMDA. The guys are trying to clear this drain, move the garbage away. Again, where did this garbage come from? Everybody knows, but why is it only the MMDA that are doing this? What if they weren't here? All of this garbage would be going into the sewer. If you look at this drain over here, you can see it's also full of trash, and I'm sure this happens every single day, and probably most of the time nobody's stopping it, nobody's cleaning it up. It just all goes into the sewers, and then, you know, everything gets blocked up and the whole area floods. Well, they are some of the guys here from the market. Hey, can you clean up this drain? They started to poke it down with the stick into the drain. Then they're like, no, don't put it in the drain, clear the drain. So they are doing that now. Now let's take a look at this drain. Since there's a hole, that's a dangerous hole by the way, but look inside here. Full of trash.